Hi, so today I'm going to be going over my Messenger app. Um, it's a pretty simple Messenger app. I wrote it in Android Studio using Kotlin and Firebase to store the users and the messages between users. So let me just start up the emulator and we'll see it run. And I did use a tutorial to get started on this, but I've made a lot of changes to the tutorial. The tutorial was pretty basic, but I do have the link to it in my GitHub, so if you want to try creating your own Messenger app, it's a good place to start. So here it opens up and there's a login page, and if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up, and it does ensure that you create a unique username for each user. So if I were to sign up using a new email and password, but a username that's already in the database, it will give me this warning saying it already exists, choose a different one, and it won't sign me up with this. So if you do have a username already, you can sign in and log in right there. Okay, and it takes you to a contacts page. And if I want to add a contact, I can type in a name. But if that username is not a registered user, it will just tell me that user's not found, and so I won't be able to add that person. If I add someone that is in the database, a user that is registered, it'll just add, and then I'll be able to message them. So let's go in and see. Here's a message that I sent on the side, message that this person sent here. I can send a new one. Okay, and it sends, and so this is stored in Firebase, all the messages between the users. It's stored on both ends, so there will be a sender to receiver and receiver to sender. So each user will get these messages, and it's using a recycler view, so you can have different formats for the sent messages and the received messages, and that's here in this code. So there's just, you can look at the XML formats for these. And then when a message is sent, it'll be stored whether it's a received message for your user or a sent message. And then in the message adapter, that's where it will tell you which format to use based on whether it's sent or received. This is just the message class here. Stores the message, stores the sender ID, all of that. And there's also the contact format. So there's a couple of recycler views that I learned how to use for this. And also, if I go back to my contacts, there's this here where I can just log out and takes me back to the login screen. So that's just a quick demo of it, but there's a lot in it. But hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in creating a Messenger app, I do recommend the video, and I will have that link on my README page. So feel free to check that out. And thank you for watching.